Hello and welcome. We're going to start doing our IT makeup. This is my first time, so I wanted to give it a whirl. We're going to start off with glue stick and just put that on my eyebrows. Then I'm going to smooth them out a little bit because there was a lot of chunky chunks of the glitter, just to kind of make it flat and lay in one direction. And we're just going to put a little bit more because it didn't seem like it had enough. See right here, I was supposed to put setting powder. I forgot. I went straight into the foundation, but I'm going to go back and be like, hey, I forgot to put setting powder on my glue. And I also wanted to put primer and setting powder on my face, which I forgot, which is why my makeup started peeling later. So this is the white makeup that I got from a Halloween store. It was good to put it on. It did give me a little tingly feeling, which went away after a couple of seconds. But I'm going to actually look into some professional makeup that I found on Amazon. I'll post pics later. That's the setting powder I eventually put on. But this is the kit that I bought for it. I didn't really like it. I did not end up using that tattoo thing. I did use the red and the black, which was okay. I'm going to go with the pencil next time. And it put a little bit of setting powder. I should have used a lot more. And I forgot to use my translucent one. That's why I kind of didn't want to put too much. And here we're going to give a try to these eyebrows. I think the left side was really wet, so that's why the makeup didn't grab on really good. I go back and I fix it later, but these are just like my grinning scars. I should have done them the opposite way, but whatever. I was kind of in a rush. I still had to do my makeup, get dressed, and you can see my husband running around getting things together. I didn't put makeup all on my neck because I'm going to have this little puffy thing around my neck, so I figured I'd just put it in little places. That's my daughter's Enderman that I made. It just took me like 6 hours to make that box head. And here I'm just putting some black eyeshadow. I think this came with the Halloween makeup, but it's just like black powder. I'm going to go back and do it with gray eyeshadow and black eyeshadow because this one was really, it wasn't very good quality, in other words. That's the black that I was using. I try to cut this as much as I can, but I didn't want to make it too fast so you can kind of see the process. If you have feedback on how I can improve my look, please let me know. Like I said, this was my first time doing the IT. I'm going to go back next time and use better brushes and better make professional makeup. So I will make a part 2 of this. I'm doing some black eyeliner here just to give a little bit more darkness to my eyes because, like I said, the powder wasn't really showing up too good. So I wanted to give it a little bit of darkness around the eye. I'm not gonna lie, I look like a crazy psycho person. But all in all, I did really enjoy this. I really enjoy Halloween and dressing up and just trying new things. All right, so since I put the black on and it was too bright, I'm kind of using a little bit of white, but not too much, just a little bit to kind of fade in the lines so they're not so vibrant. There's my daughter just checking up on my makeup. She's like, oh my gosh, my mom's crazy. Those are my 2 dogs. Who is that stranger? Oh no, it smells like mommy. I guess it's her. And then like I said, the black wasn't really good, so I'm doing my best to try to make that black pop. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, it's a crazy clown, so. And this is the red that came with the kit. It was very bright. I like that. It's just, it never really dried. So if I touch my nose later, which I didn't mean to, but I did, I would have red all over myself. Maybe some translucent powder or setting powder would have worked. What do y'all think? Did the best I could on these lines. Definitely need to practice a little bit better, but it was good for last minute. It's all coming together now. I think I did them 2 rounds, so then I go back and try to square them up a little bit. My lines were a little off, but I try to fix it. That crayon was breaking apart on me. It wasn't the best. I think right there I'm already holding it in 2 pieces. Now my hair was pretty cool. I was gonna wear a wig, but we're in Texas and it's super hot here. So I decided just to buy some spray for my hair, and I just sprayed my entire hair. All right, so going back to the lips, I do the bottom lip thicker and rounder, and then I try to do my top lips kind of pointy, and then I'm gonna go back and kind of arch my little lips, like kind of like Joker lips, but not too much, because you want it to go up with the lines. Here I'm putting that red lipstick that came in the kit, and then I'm gonna go in and put in some black lipstick on top, but very, very little. You just want to give it like a darky, tony color. I did buy the teeth. I took, I think, 1 or 2 pictures with the teeth, and then I forgot them in the car. And there was no way I was going to go back to the car. We walked so far to get there. There's the black that I'm going with. It's not very dark, the black, so it kind of worked pretty good. I'm going to splatter a little bit of blood next time. And these are just to give like little lines and dimension on my body. I should have put more white on my shoulders, but I didn't. All right, and this is where I go put on some contacts. There's some yellow-green contacts that I used last year, and then I added the eyelashes I found at the Halloween store. I really like these eyelashes because they have, well, you'll see them. They're like, I thought were clown looking. They had all these different colors on them. I had to go fix that contact. It was backwards, but this is it. Final makeup. Eyelashes, I love those. I should have splattered a little blood on me. I had the blood, I just totally forgot. This is after I did my hair. I sprayed it all orange, and then I put glitter on top, which you really can't see in these pictures, but I did. And then I scrunched my hair up like little pom-poms, which was even better. I took so many pictures. I swear I had like over 50, 60 people come up to me and just ask me, can I take a picture? Can I take a picture? A lot of little kids. I was surprised because all in all, it was fun, and definitely do it again next year. Thanks for watching, and any comments, feedback, appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.